a large garden or a small garden, right plant, right place. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery. We're going to talk about how do I space lilacs when planting. Picking the right spot in your garden for the lilac is absolutely key, so spacing is critical. When you first buy the plant, make sure you look at the label and see how big it's going to get and how wide it's going to get. If you're not sure, seek the assistance of the garden center professional that you're with. Lilacs will grow upright and they will also grow wide and bushy. Many of them will actually sucker. So don't be afraid of planting them several feet apart if the information you get from the internet or the label tells you they're going to spread. For instance, this is a lilac or syringa, which is the botanical name, called chinensis. Chinensis is a big lilac and will probably get to be about 12 feet high. This is a smaller variety called Miss Kim. Miss Kim will only get about maybe 7, 8, 9 feet tall and won't get quite as wide. Where Donald Wyman is going to be another big one, it'll get about 10 feet high and probably the same wide, maybe even wider. We're actually lucky to have some buds and blooms on him right now with us. So before planting, do the research, and that will really let you know the size of lilac you're going to buy, and you can place it correctly in your garden so you know how far to space it apart from other plants or from other lilacs. So now you're off to the garden center to choose the lilac that fits your garden. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery talking about how do I space lilacs when planting.